Hello guys, welcome in the next video of the Databricks series. In this video, let's go through how to use PySpark aggregate function in Databricks. We are taking as simple as so we don't have any issue in understanding. We are planning for a new topic in Databricks where we need to execute the aggregate functions using SQL and also with PySpark. In Databricks, we are following the same pattern as we have done in our previous videos. First, we will use SQL queries to make you understand what we have and how we are planning to use our results. Then, with same SQL, we will try to convert into PySpark code. So we have a clear understanding of PySpark and how we write PySpark code with aggregate functions in Databricks. Let's go with our PySpark aggregates functions. Notebooks. As you can see, we have a Python interpreter already selected, and we have our cluster up and running. In the first cell, we have a sample superstore CSV file. Using that, we want to create a table called sales data. We are also assigning header equals to true and infer schema equals to true. Let's execute this cell so it will create a sales data table. As you can see, it's giving us OK result. That means the table is created, and same thing we have already done in our previous notebooks. Also, if you want to refer for similar kind of tutorial, then you can refer to our previous notebooks. As you can see, we are using sample superstore CSV file in our next cell with PySpark code and header equals to true and infer schema. Also true. Let's execute this cell. It will create a data frame called df and what is available in sales data table. Let's execute this cell also so that we have output data available for particular sales data table and sales data table df data frame. Both are same and will give the similar results in both the cases. Let's execute the next cell where I want to count number of records from the sales data table. As you can see, we have 9,000 plus records available in this table. And same code. I want to write for PySpark on the top of df data frame object. We can call our select method there. I want to specify star and then count. Count is a function which will provide count on the df data frame object, and we can display that into df count object. So you can see the total number of records are available. We have next aggregate function, which is called minimum, to find the minimum value. So we are using a profit column, and I want to find minimum of profit, whatever is available in the table. So let's execute the cell. As you can see, we have a minimum of profit is available as output. Same way, if I want to write the similar kind of functionality in PySpark, we have the entire package available with the PySpark API, which you can find in the PySpark.sql package. This package is already available in our environment. We just need to import. First, then, only we will be able to use it. So how to import this package? We have this particular statement available. Write it in the cell as import and run it. F is the alias which we use to call our all kinds of aggregate functions. Let's execute this. If I want to execute multiple aggregate function in single SQL statement, then it's quite possible we can do that. Write all three min max and sum of profit column within this statement. Similarly, same kind of result. If I want to apply with PySpark code, then we have aggregate function on the top of df, and we can pass multiple aggregate function within AGG as separate parameters. Now I can calculate all these three aggregate values, and we can say to print all of that in the next cell. We are also trying to apply the alias, how we can make alias in PySpark code, and it can be applied on any of the column or result value. So how we do apply, alias you can see dot alias function is there, and we can provide a name into it. Let's execute this. As you can see, we have alias name available as in column, name some profit. And if you want to see any of the aggregate function which is available under Databricks, then you can click on this link. I'll provide this link into description also. So in that, you can see we have aggregate function section, where we have whole aggregate functions list is available under this. So you can try and use all of those functions in Databricks. That's all we have for this video. I hope you learned something about Databricks. In the next video, we will go through Databricks new topic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.